નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello children, welcome back. Standard First, Subject English, Unit 1. Three Little Pigs. In the previous video, we had learned new words and their meanings. Right children? Okay. Then, reading is fun. Let's share, say aloud. We had completed this all exercise on previous video. Now, in this video, we will learn some new exercises, right? I think you all are very excited, right? Okay. Okay children, now open your textbook, page number 11. Now second, we will see what is the next exercise. It's let's draw. Wow. Now let's start our reading. Join the dots from 1 to 10 to make the house. Then color the picture. Wow, we have to draw here a house and we have to trace the dots, right? Okay, now let's refer these numbers. Okay, first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Wow, so fun, right? Okay, now I think you all are understood what I want to say. Yes, in this exercise same we have to do it. We have to join one number till 10 number, right? Okay, now it will be easy for us after reading these numbers. Okay, let's draw. Here you can see there is a beautiful picture of house, but it is not complete. Something is missing, some lines are missing. This house is not complete. So student, we have to complete it, right? Okay, now take out your pencil and please take your eraser too for proper drawing, right? Okay, here you can see the number 1. Can you see it? Okay, now what you have to do? You have to trace the line to 1 to till 2, right? Let's try it like this, 1 to 10. Okay, very nice. I have done very clearly, right? You can do this also. After 1 to 1, then it comes 2. 2 after 3. Yes. Okay, now something is complete, right? This drawing is being very pretty if you draw very clearly. Okay, after 3, 4. Very good. 4 till 5. The line is already done for you. 5 and 6 is also done for you. And now we have to draw 6 after 7. Okay, wow. Now house is completing. Very nice. Okay, 7 after 8. 8 after 9. And 9 and 1, 0, 10. Wow, what a pretty house I have made. I hope you also draw very nicely. Okay children, now our house is done. We have made the beautiful house, right? Now you have to color it with your own choice. Okay children, my color is done. Can you find it is pretty? Yes, it is, right? Thank you. Now we will see what is our next exercise. Okay children, now please open your page number 12. Okay, now let's start reading our heading. There are farm animals, water animals and jungle animals in this picture. Help the animals reach their homes. Draw lines. Okay children, this is also very nice exercise, right? Before starting this exercise, we will do something new. Okay? What we will do? We will identify some animals. You have to give me the right answer. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. First we will see farm animals. Okay children, can you see the picture of farm in this? Right. Okay. Now we will identify some animals which are staying in farm. Okay children, here are some animals. Let's see it. First you can see cow. What is it? Cow. Okay, now next is horse. And then pig, rooster, sheep, hen, and the last one is goat. Very good. We had identified the farm animals. Okay. Okay children, now we will identify some jungle animals. Right. Can you see the jungle picture here? Okay. Now let's see the jungle animals. Jungle, it means forest. Okay children, now let's start our jungle animals identification. Right. Okay, let's start the first animal. Which we will start? Your favorite, lion. Very nice. Okay, तो लायन कहाँ पे रहता है? लायन तो जंगल में रहता है, राइट? वो तो फॉरेस्ट में रहता है. अब नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. ओके, ये कौन सा पिक्चर है? कौन सा एनिमल है? यस, डियर, राइट? ओके, वेरी नाइस. नाउ विच इज दिस एनिमल? Zebra. Wow, very good. Now next to zebra, what is this? Let's see it. Oh, it's rhinoceros. Right? Very nice. Okay, now next we will see the animal. Which animal is this? With long neck. It's giraffe. Very good. Now, which animal is this? Oh, leopard. Wow. Who is there next to leopard? It's a monkey. Favorite one, right? Okay. Now, what is this picture? Elephant. Okay. Here is hippopotamus and ostrich, and this one is snake. Okay, very nice. You all enjoyed the identification of the jungle animals? Okay, me too, right? Okay, now let's start next. Next we will see water animals. Here are some water animals, right? Let's see the pictures of that. First one is tortoise, and then is frog. And what is this? It's a fish. Alligator and octopus. Very nice. Do you like these pictures? Here I have some more pictures for you. Water animals, alligator, sharkfish, jellyfish, octopus, starfish, dolphin, seahorse, and the little one, whale. Very nice, right? Now I think it will be easy for you to do this exercise, right? You have to draw a line to farm animals to farm, and jungle animals to jungle, and the water animals to water, right? Okay. Here you can see I have a farm, right? You have to draw lines, animals to farm. Okay, can you help me? Frog. Do you know where do frogs stay? He stays in farm? No, that's why we will not draw a line to farm. Okay, then next is crocodile, frog, dog, hen, bear, and buffalo, and horse, right? Now let's try to draw a line. Take out your pencil. Okay, now let's do it. First we will see buffalo. Okay, buffalo stay at farm. Very nice. Bear? No. Horse? Yes, this is done for you. Hen and dog. Crocodile doesn't stay at farm, right? And frog also not stay, right? The next page is page number 13, right? Let's see it. Here you can see a jungle picture and water picture. Can you see this? Okay. Now we have to help the jungle animals to jungle picture and the water animals to water picture, right? Okay, let's try it. First one is giraffe. Okay, giraffe stay at jungle. That's why you have to draw a line to jungle to giraffe. Rhinoceros stay at jungle. Monkey at jungle. But cow doesn't stay in jungle, right? तो काव कहाँ पे रहती है? काव तो फार्म में रहती है, तो हमें काव को तो फार्म के साथ लाइन ड्रॉ करनी पड़ेगी, राइट बच्चों? वेरी गुड। और पेज नंबर 12 में जो क्रोकोडाइल और फ्रॉग है उसको भी हमें लाइन ड्रॉ करके वाटर की तरफ लाइन ड्रॉ करनी पड़ेगी, राइट? चलो मैं अब आपको आंसर दिखाती हूँ। मैंने यह आंसर आपके लिए रेडी किया है। दिस विल हेल्प यू टू डू दिस एक्सरसाइज, राइट? ओके Okay children, after completing this exercise, we will sing a small little poem. I hope you will like this. Now sing with me, after me, right? Sing a poem. Bow, bow, says the dog. Meow, meow, says the cat. Bled, bled, says the dog. Roar, roar, says the lion. Hello, hello, says the child. Wow, this poem is so nice, right? Okay. I hope you will like this video and the identification of these animals, farm animals, and jungle animals and water animals, right? Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us.